Hello there, my friends. I just got a small package in the mail. It has to do with full moon, but it's not from full moon. I found it on eBay. It's really old, vintage, and in good condition. It's from the early 90s. I saw it, I had the money, and I decided to buy it. It was a buy it now situation. I didn't have to bid on it. I found it on eBay, I bought it on eBay. And it's finally here. It is, my friends. It says Full Moon Entertainment on the front, the small Full Moon logo, and on the back, Netherworld. I got the old vintage Netherworld t-shirt from the early 90s when it first came out back in 91, 92. Yes, Netherworld, from the old days of VHS. Those very old classic Full Moon shirts with the Full Moon logo on the front, very small, and the cover of a movie on the back. I have a few of those. I have the Transfers 2 and the Demonic Toys ones. And I also got the one with the Full Moon toys on it. I believe I showed those in the past. So I just got this one, Netherworld. And I hope to get more. Alright, my friends. You know what I gotta do, right? Check it out, my friends. The old classic vintage Full Moon Entertainment t-shirts. Look at that. Netherworld. These t-shirts rock. These were the very first original Full Moon Entertainment t-shirts. I hope to get more in the future. I hope to get at least the first 3 Puppet Master movies of these t-shirts. Well, that's it for now, my friends. It's this old classic Netherworld t-shirt. I'll have more stuff coming. There will be more videos, and I'll talk to you later. Later, my friends.